All right, the first car up will be the Exceed Sunfire. It'll be running the Spectrum 3300 kV 4-pole brushless motor, and it'll have the Spectrum Firma 85 amp ESC, and I'll be running it on 3S. Okay, next car I'll be running is the Dyalla Toys 124016 version 2. Originally came with 45 amp ESC. I brought that up at the Ocean, so I put in a sensorless brushless motor in ESC 45 kV 4-pole motor, and that's in there now. Okay, last but not least will be my other Sunfire, and it'll be running a Goul RC 65 amp ESC and a Goul 3650 4300 kV 4-pole brushless motor. I'll be running it on 2S LiPo probably. I may hit it with 3S. Okay, let's get on out there and see how fast we can get these guys to go. Way too much traction on one side. Like one side's picking up too hard. Weird. If I really get on it, it just wants to flip over. It's gonna get like half throttle, I guess. Jumped the curve, pretty good. Can't believe it could do that. Half throttle, man. Okay, it's pretty easy to see what happened. You can see how the block came right out. See where that bolt is there? If you can see it that well, but it popped off. Something else about this car that's been really bugging me is that for some reason this transmitter and receiver are not, I don't know, not seeming to work good together. What happens is I'll get it all set up, everything seems fine, and I'll take it out to run it, I have no throttle. And then I'll mess with the throttle rate and stuff on the controller, and then all of a sudden I'll get some throttle. Then I'll get wild full throttle, and it's just crazy. It just makes it impossible to drive it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hopefully this radio link receiver is still good. I pull it out of another car, I don't know, I'm gonna give it a shot. See what happens. Okay, out with the old and in with the new. I'm not sure what was wrong with it, but it shows some raindrops. I guess that means it's waterproof. Anyways, put the radio link in. Let's see how she does. This guy's a little bit noisy. I cleaned the fan up and it sounds a little better, quite a bit better actually. Well, how about steering? Steering, good, 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 good. How about throttle? This thing's a maniac, man. Oh, brake. Good brake. Got everything. I want to give it full throttle, man. This thing's crazy. All right, let's get out and run it. Plug in my larger battery. Comes right on. But if I let it sit for any length of time, it won't come on with that battery. Weird. Okay, next step is, once you've got your heat shrink slid up, go ahead and just heat it up and get it on there. This is part of the soldering station. It's called a reheat. I don't know exactly what it's for, but I just use it as a heat gun for shrink sleeve and stuff. Then this piece goes up to here, and these are real hard to go on. So what I do with these is I'll take a pair of small channel locks, and I'll make them go on. I'll get them going. Like that. Yeah. Make sure it's on again. I think these are just made to not even have to shrink sleeve, but I do it anyway. So I shrink sleeve in there, shrink sleeve there. Then I'll do another shrink sleeve here, like that. And it can actually, go over the connector up to there, doesn't matter. And then I shrink that baby down. That takes a little bit of shrinkage. See what the end product looks like. Trying to heat up the ESC if I can help it. 317 degrees is what I got set on. Okay. Okay, replace the front hub on this guy and also the receiver, so it's been running a lot better now. So we'll take it out and see what it does. Got my pass here. Much bueno. This thing needs a big area to run in because it's fast. Very, very, very fast. So it pulls the one way when really upsetting the dog here there. Steering better, responding better, braking better. I really like the radio link. It's a good little transmitter receiver setup. This thing's just got a lot of power, man. A lot of power. You just barely give it any throttle and it just takes off, man. Give it too much and it just goes ballistic. And I got the punch set on 3, so it's not like I've got it punched real high. But it's running good now. Now I'm happy. I had to scrounge parts from the other car just to get this one going, but the other one will just be a parts car, I guess. I just don't really get a lot of pleasure out of the little cars because they're just too small to go over, you know, out in the dirt, over bumps and through ditches and stuff. They just get destroyed. All right, man. Okay, guys, I think this will end the video. Thanks for watching my little Sunfire. All right, peace out, guys.